Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a sales meeting agenda with Microsoft Teams step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Select the calendar option from the sidebar. Click on the new meeting button in the top right corner. In the meeting window, add a descriptive title for your sales meeting. Under Add Required Attendees, enter the email addresses of all relevant team members. Specify the date and time for your meeting. If needed, set a recurring meeting option for future sales meetings. In the Details section, start drafting your agenda. Begin with the meeting objectives, outlining the purpose of the sales meeting. Add key discussion points, such as sales performance updates, new strategies, and client feedback. Include time allocations for each agenda item to keep the meeting focused. Consider adding questions for discussion to encourage participation. If there are any materials to review, attach files or include links in the Details section. Once your agenda is set, review all information for accuracy. Click Save to schedule the meeting with the agenda included. A confirmation will appear, and the meeting will be added to your calendar. Notify attendees about the meeting through appropriate channels if needed. After the meeting, follow up with a summary of the discussion and action items. This ensures accountability and keeps everyone aligned on the next steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.